Okay, g'day YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's all about black pine decandling season. Here's another black pine of mine. This is, you've seen it before as well, I've done some work on it before. But it is a beautiful, beautiful, crazy, twisted up trunk, lovely twisted up trunk that's forming a nice little tree out here. I'm not 100% sure where the styling will go, but it's all about decandling. Still, this tree is in the decandling process, so we're in the refinement stage. So it's pretty much come in and let's just remove all the candles, as we've been doing in all my other videos on black pines at the moment. Possible change of angle one day, trying to enhance a lot of this, maybe come up more, could be literati, but at the moment I like the slanting look, but I have to build a tree in there, and I think it's lacking that at the moment. I think it's starting to develop some interest, but it might need to be restyled, and I might do that this year. But at the moment I just want to decandle the tree because that's what it needs. Decandle, take all the candles off, needle pluck and balance out the tree again, and let them shoot multiple buds this May, so we can bud select. So pretty easy, just go through it, and if you see my other videos, every single candle I'm just going to cut off at the base of where it's growing. It's going to get a big haircut, so don't be scared to do this. As long as you can do this, this is the very important step in the pine development process. You've got to at least be able to decandle your pines. The needle plucking bit's a bit harder to do, but it's still doable. And that's another extra technique. But at least do this. Let's go through the tree, decandle all your, take all your candles off. And you've seen my other videos. Have a look at those recent ones that I would have done about how to decandle and the close-ups. But pretty much go through the whole tree, take all of them off. Try and use two hands all the time. Because this hasn't got much foliage or much growth, I can actually go through it again and balance out all the needles, which I'll show you what I mean by that. So I'm starting to see some nice, if I bend that down, I can grow a top up here. So I'm starting to see some development there coming together now. But yeah, let's just keep going. It's always interesting when you do this, you actually get to look at your trees again and see how they're going and how they're progressing. Some good strong growth down the base, this base, so that's really positive. Usually the cascade part of any tree is always weak. This is actually quite strong and healthy. Very strong, actually. Beautiful. So I think that's all the candles done. I think I missed one in there. There he is. Yeah, so I'm just going to go through and make sure the right amount of needles are on this. So in each branch, kind of make sure you got the same amount or close to the same amount of needles. So let's say in this cluster, that many needles, same amount of this in this cluster, same amount of needles, same amount of needles here. Just reduce because some of the other areas, just balancing it out. So I don't want to have anywhere that's too. I want every single branchlet, etc., branch area to be the same kind of number of needles. That's pretty much all you're trying to do when they say needle plucking. So you're just trying to make sure it's all relatively the same. I don't worry about the length of the needles at the moment. Just let them be, because eventually they'll reduce over time. Because this tree's in development, I'm not going to show it anytime soon or anything like that. So if you're not going to show it anytime soon, there's no point worrying about the needle length at the moment. So just reduce. So some of this area down the bottom is actually quite strong. You just got to reduce so it balances up some of the top area. Just a quick little pluck away. It's just really done by eye for me. I don't really want to go and count each area. I just don't have the time. I need to do this quickly. I only have weekends to look at my trees and work on them. So yeah, that pretty much gives you an idea, quick run through of this tree. But you can start to see some possibilities. If I lower that branch into here, build an apex, lower, twist this round, build around into there, you start to see how this tree will develop, and I could do some work on it soon. But there you go. Nice quick little black pine decandling process, very quick. That didn't take 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, done. Tree's done. Huge step in the development process for this tree. Great investment of time, 5-10 minutes, get your decandling done, and the tree will thank you with a beautiful tree in the future. So black pines, twice a year you pretty much work on them. Summer, autumn, that's where you got to remember. Summer you decandle and needle pluck, as you saw. And I've done videos on the autumn time, what you do in autumn, but I'll show you that again in coming months, or in 6 months time, where you just bud select. So anyway guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Another one done. So let's get through all my black pines. Not many to go, but it's good fun. Okay, hope you enjoyed.